Hi, my name is Peter Bowman. I'm with Flying S Incorporated. I'm a manufacturing engineer and I work in the machine shop, and I'm here at IMTS 2024. We manufacture at Flying S unmanned military aircraft and spaceflight components out of carbon fiber and metallic products, stuff like that goes into space. Pretty cool. So we specialize in composite structure with wing foil shape, that's stuff that flies, that's carbon, but we also build components for rocketry, satellites, anything that flies, anything that goes to space. That's kind of where our niche is. So we've been using Lyndex-Nikken products for quite a few years. We do a lot of cutting in aluminum, so shrink fit is something that we use a lot of, and we've found that the Lyndex-Nikken shrink fit products work really, really well in our machines. In 2017, we also made the investment in an Elbo Controlli 460N presetter from Lyndex-Nikken, and it's worked really, really well. As we expanded our machine product line and we introduced new spindles to the shop, we would buy new adapters for those machines. And anytime we had any issues, Lyndex-Nikken was right there to provide us with support and service. It's been wonderful. So when we bought the presetter, I thought that we were just going to be checking the tool lengths of tooling. But what I found was we do a lot of single point thread milling, and we found it to be extremely helpful in verifying that our cutting edges on our small thread mills are proper, the diameters are right, and so that's been very helpful with our presetter. We also verify our corner radius prior to putting it in the machine so that we're getting the right surface profiles on our aerospace parts. So our Elbo Controlli Lyndex-Nikken presetter has been wonderful, and we're considering a second one because the service has been so good.